Hey guys, I wanted to quickly go over with you how to set up your MyFitness Pal account. Once you log in, you're going to click on Food, and then you're going to click on Settings. Scroll to the bottom and under Meal Names. Right now you probably have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. I went ahead and switched mine up so it says breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack 1, snack 2, and post-workout. You can call that morning snack, afternoon snack, whatever you wish to make it easier on your end. You could put the times in if you wish, 7 a.m., 10 a.m., 1 p.m., etc. Make sure that your enable negative adjustments is not checked for this challenge for the calorie adjustments. And then diary sharing, you're gonna select friends only, and then make sure you add me as your friend if you want me to help analyze your daily food logs. Click Save Changes. Go back to Home. And now you're going to click on Goals. Here is where you can edit your daily nutrition goals. Unless you're going to pay for the premium version, you can get pretty close with percentages. Enter your total calories from your macro plan, and then your percent. I tried to get pretty close to 30, 35, or whatever, a nice round number for your percentage. If I didn't and you're at like 33.5, go ahead and select the percentage that brings your gram total closest to what I put on your macro plans. And then go ahead and make sure that your total is 100%. Click Save. And now you can go ahead and start logging your food. If you want to take a quick look at mine for today, you can see here how I have my different categories: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack 1, snack 2, and then my post-workout. In the end, you want to be within a fairly close number of grams for your total daily carbs, fat, and protein. Try not to go over your daily limit in any of those categories, with the exception of protein. If you're going to go over in any of your macros, protein is where you want to go over for that. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, cell, Facebook Messenger, email, whatever's most convenient for you. Good luck!